So this is a smartwatch and it takes voice command and it is encouraged whenever you can use the voice command. Since it's a smartwatch, it's not that easy to type. And it detects the motion of your wrist. If you just tilt your wrist towards yourself, try that, and it will function as yes, enter, confirm, all those type of consent feature. And then if you just tilt your wrist outward away from yourself, that means no exit, decline, things like that. And so I'm going to give you a list of not a list of tasks, but just one task, and these are the things that you need to do. I'll just read you through it. So you are in the case scenario that you're asked to see if you're available at 2 p.m. 24th of May to do this event, to attend this event, volunteer for fundraising at Hotel Mossman. And you need to use this watch to go into your calendar and check your availability. And then you need to find that you are free at the time spot and you would like to register for this new appointment. And after you finish registering, you want to sync this appointment to your other devices. In this case scenario, we assume this is going to sync to your smart notebook, and smart pen and your phone, etc. And afterwards your task will be completed and you can go back to your main screen. Okay, so let's begin. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Okay, so this is the first. When you power up the device, this is what you see. And you're encouraged to talk about what you are thinking or do the next step.
Well, it's good that the date and time is displayed so that I can always see what's happening.
And you need to follow the task.
Okay, so tilt forward to start.
Great.
Takes me to notes. But I need to get to my calendar, so do I swipe across?
You can, but as I mentioned, you are encouraged to use the voice command whenever you can.
Oh yes, open calendar.
And the calendar will be here.
And so I would ask the calendar to open the 24th of May.
Right. Why do you think it'll just open like that?
Because it's voice command operated.
Yes, but it also said that you needed to tilt to select.
Okay. Well, then I would tilt to select the calendar.
Right. Then it'll take you into the calendar.
Okay. So I've got lots of options here. At the moment it's on the 10th of the 5th, but I need to get to the 24th of May, so I would ask it to transfer to the 24th of May.
Right. But right here, the voice command option isn't on. So
Oh, okay.
you need to zoom out.
So tilt to zoom out.
But you need to tilt outward to zoom out.
Oh, okay. Yep. So that way.
Okay.
So I've got a screen that tells me the tilt to zoom out or tilt to zoom in, or I can use voice commands. So I would say go to the 24th of May.
That is correct. Let's just assume this is 24th of May because I didn't change the date. But actually, just change this 24th to 16th of May.
Okay, so I'm on the 16th of May. So I would tilt down to zoom in so that I can open up that day.
That is right.
And that brings me to the event page. So I would have to use the touch function now to add an event.
That's right.
So I see I've got the voice command option, so I would enter the time being 2 p.m. The event would be volunteer for fundraising, and the location would be at the Mossman Hotel. Once all that data has been entered, I would tilt down to confirm.
Why do you think that it'll just take everything at once?
I just made that presumption.
Right. But even though you're in voice command mode, however, your time is enlarged. That's assuming that you're only going to be entering the time box at
Right.
this point.
Okay, so I'd enter the time and then tilt to confirm.
But you need to say use the voice command to enter the
I
time.
would enter the time of 2 p.m. and tilt to confirm.
That's right.
Then I see that the time has been entered due to my voice command, so I would tilt down to confirm.
That's right.
Which I see enlarges the event segment. So I would use the voice command to say volunteer for fundraising and then tilt down to confirm.
That's right.
Then I verify that the event is correct, and it is, so I would tilt down to confirm. Now I notice the location field is highlighted in large text, so I would use the voice command to say Mossman Hotel and tilt up to confirm. And I notice that it has inputted Hotel Mossman, and that's correct, so I would tilt down to confirm. Now I can see my whole event based on the 16th of May, Wednesday, 2 p.m. The event is the volunteer for fundraising. The location is Hotel Mossman. All the details are correct, so I would tilt down to confirm.
That is correct.
Now I have a confirmation screen showing me that the new event has been added.
That's correct.
Now I have reverted back to the Wednesday the 16th of the 5th of my calendar. I've finished entering data, so I would tilt up to zoom out. And now I've been given an option asking me, would I like to update the changes to other devices? I would tilt down for yes. Now I have a screen showing me that it's syncing to devices. And now the syncing devices bar has reached 100%, the status bar has reached 100%, so that tells me that it's finished. Now I see a confirmation saying changes updated in synced devices. Now I'm back to the calendar screen and I can use just tap on the exit to go out of the calendar mode.
Right.
And my watch has gone back to its standby mode, showing me the time, the date, and the weekday.
That's good. And that's the end of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.